Hey, come on, stay with me. Stay with me. We're losing him! We're losing him! He's dying!
Hey guys, I have 5 best altcoins to buy now during this crypto market crash that have opportunity to bring you ridiculous returns in short and long term as well, from 100% all the way up to 10,000%, maybe more. We cannot really know. I know that the last few months was really tough for everybody in crypto, but the ones that really hold strong and not panicking, usually the one that survives and got rewarded very highly. So let's take just one short advice about holding crypto.
If it holds near and dear to you that you like to be able to...
Not
Anyway.
the best advice. So number 1 is Ethereum, father of the smart contracts, or mother, I'm not sure exactly. Rank number 2 has the valuation of 134 billions of dollars. It is a lot, and obviously you will be never able to get X100 on Ethereum. It is just not possible, I think. But we can get very solid return in the short and long term based on the chart of the Ethereum. I think that you'll be able to gain 100% easily in the short term on Ethereum to get back to the previous support levels, so you'll have that 100%. But don't worry guys, wait for the next one and we'll get to that 100x, I'll promise you. I think Ethereum will go again over its all-time high at some point, and you probably can expect to earn 3-4 times of your money over time. But the good part, that is very reliable and strong coin that will exist on the market for long time in the future. And by the way guys, if it's not hard for you, please subscribe and hit the like button. So with the short term, it is 100% return. With the long term, I think potential of 3-4x of your money. So for each 100, you'll be able to gain another $300-400 extra over a long period of time. Let's move to number 2. Number 2 is Phantom, trading for around 25-26 cents right now. Ranked number 64 on CoinMarketCap with a pretty big valuation of 660 millions of dollars, but I consider it's pretty low for what FTM already achieved, and I think we have pretty good opportunity to jump into it as well, as have this during this market crash and Bitcoin on the lowest levels. We can expect on the previous strong support levels to get X3, like 300% return in the short term for the Phantom coin, and in the long term, to be honest, I will be considering be conservative. There is always larger upsides as well. But for the next coins, including this one, I'll be considering the target valuation of 10 billions of dollars. Fair number for real coin. I think will be real number for any EVM chains, and with the potential larger upside, but we will focus on that 10 billion valuation to have some picture in our mind in terms of the return in the long term for each of the coins that we will go over, including this one as well. So we have the 300% in the short term based on the support levels, but for the long term, if you're going to reach 10 billions of dollars, we will be at 1500%, and it's 15x. So for the short term, for each 100, you'll be able to make additional $300, and for each 100 for the long term, you'll be able to make additional $1,500. Okay, let's move to the next one. Number 3. Number 3 is CELO coin, trading at around 87 cents and ranked number 80 at CoinMarketCap with a valuation of $395 million. It is good valuation as well. But what I like with the CELO, that they have very nice focus for implementing decentralized applications, especially for the mobile in the future. Slowly and steadily achieving everything on their roadmap and building the apps regardless of any fails. So they have pretty good future, I think. And we have the similar opportunities to trade off the previous support levels and we can make nice 130% short-term return. And based of valuation of $10 billion, where I think those guys will head sooner or later anyway. So with the $10 billion valuation, we have the price target at around $22, and we'll have about the 25x, 2500% return of this. So for the short-term return based on the previous support levels, we're looking for about 130%. So from each 100, you'll make additional $130. And for the long term, we're looking for about 2500%. So from each 100, you'll be able to make $2,500. I hope that's gonna happen in some future. So we'll see. Let's move to the next one. Number 4. So number 4 is Oasis Network. Currently trading at around 5 cents, ranked number 107 on CoinMarketCap with a valuation of 253 millions. Pretty good valuation, and the rows are achieving their goals all the time. It's EVM chain as well, and with this great support at this moment and breaking the previous supports, I think we're gonna have nice short-term return for this one for about 250%. And for the long term, based on $10 billion valuation, we have the price target of about $1.92. So in this case, you'll be able to make 3,800% return in a long term if you'll reach in that kind of valuation. So in the short term, from each 100, you'll be able to make additional $250. And for the long term, if you're reaching $10 billion valuation, for each 100 that you invested, you'll be able to get additional $3,800. Let's move to the next one. Number 5. And the last one for today will be METIS DAO, trading at around $19.43, ranked number 262 on CoinMarketCap with a capitalization of only $84 million. That is low cap for what they are doing and what they are achieved already. So what I like about them that they have very, very dedicated team. I think that they found each other, and I think they have the huge future. That's EVM based chain, and I think they will reach the places. So with the short term, we get pretty good target price of around $81, bounce back for 350%, and based on our target valuation of 10 billions, looking at the target price of $2,300. Yes, it is correct. $2,300. That what would worse if that would be $10 billion valuation. So in a $2,300, in this case, we'll have the increase of 11,900%. It's just ridiculous amount, only with the 10 billions. And 10 billions, it's not something unachievable in crypto. I think we have the projects right now worth over 10 billions that not really worth 10 billions. In this case, for the short-term return, you'll be able to make from each 100 that you invested additional $350. And for the long-term return, from each 100 that you invested, you'll be able additional $11,900. So from each 100, you're gonna make $12,000 if that ever gonna reach the valuation of 10 billions. And that was our last coin for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe for more.